Alright, folks. The shooting part of this video was already filmed. Originally, it was going to be a hitting the board, half-inch board in front of a water jug, and then just hitting the water jug without the board in front of it. And seeing, because we had on a 350 Legend, bullet vaporized, and we wanted to see the difference. And that's actually came from Uncle Jim. He was like, "Oh, you do it with or without." I can't remember which way it was in the video, and blah 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 blah. But anyway, we tried it, hit the board, and this is just going to be surprising. So it ends up we repeated the process to see if that bullet was a fluke or if it is what it is. So y'all stay tuned to see what the fluke is and to see if it's consistently a fluke. So this is a what the fluke contest. What the fluke test. There you go. What the fluke test. Alright folks, here we go. Blew the top off. We have a complete pass through at 100 yards of the Tidy Cat test. Wow. That is beyond interesting. We hit the board. We hit the damn board. And that's all that happened. So I don't know if that's a fluke or not, but we're going to take the next test without the board. You know what? We're going to scratch the original idea for the test. Because I can still take a second shot on this board with the other jug. So I'm going to do another shot and just see if this ain't a fluke or if this is what these things are doing. Because that's crazy. Alright, here we go with the second shot. We're going to try again to see if that was a fluke or not. Damn, I'm just full of rhymes today. Alright. Alright, here we go. Got the board. Up barely, but we cleared it. So it shouldn't be on the rail. Nothing on the rail. Here we go. Right through the bottom. Alright. And I thought I heard it drop when I pull those jeans out. I'll probably see it on camera and say, well, hell, it was right there in front of me. Okay. Yeah. Yeah, look right there. I mean, there's not really... I'm just trying with the camera. There's not really... It doesn't look like it opened up. I mean, it doesn't look like it opened up at all when it hit. I'm going to say it did not open up. It was passing through like a full metal jacket for it to do that. Because, I mean, if it was parachuted open going through these wet soaking jeans, one, it would be easier to spot if it was on the ground, if it was a mushroom. And two, that's good enough excuse for me for number one. But looking at this, I mean, this did nothing. It hit that board, so it took the second shot. It lost the bullet, but you see where it dinged into the board. It did not look like it expanded any on that ding. It looked like it was basically the same as this right here. I mean, we got really no expansion whatsoever. Top to bottom, it is 8.4. But yeah, that's what's going on right there. It did not expand. It looked like the second one did not expand, but that cannot be confirmed nor denied at this time. So we hit the half-inch board, hit the water. It didn't shroom, and it kept trucking. It went through 3 pair of jeans, almost 3 pair of jeans. Well, the other one did go through 3 pair of jeans because it hit the board. So that is that. I mean, this is, there ain't no point on weighing it either. 300 grains, it's 300 grains. That's absolutely crazy. Crazy. Crazy for feeling so blue. Sucks, but I don't care. Y'all are still watching this video, and y'all are still here. Dun, 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 dun.